T.
And. Hi. Bye.
Welcome. I am Paulo, and I am from Portugal.
Thanks, Antonio. Thanks, Antonio. Thanks, Antonio. Not. Not. Not.
Welcome to Portugal. Welcome to Portugal.
And. You.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi. My name is Anna.
Yes, I am from Brazil. I am Fernanda.
My name is Maria, too. T. Two. My name is Maria, too. Nice to meet you, Paulo. My name is Anna, and I am from Brazil, too.
How are you? How? How are you?
Welcome to Canada. Welcome to Canada. Welcome to Canada.
What's your name? Name. What's your name?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.